Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about algorithm and its characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. Come to the definition of an algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem, or it is a finite set of steps arranged sequentially which acts as a guide to solve any problem. So generally algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. So you take any real world problem or any mathematical problem, definitely it needs some steps to solve it. Why? Because we cannot solve any problem in single step. It takes some steps to solve the problem. Here also, which is taking step-by-step procedure. In computer terminology, we'll treat it as algorithm. And general examples you can consider like cooking any cooking recipe and baking cake. You take these are the real world algorithms. For cooking recipe you will take some time and you take step by step procedure, no, like how to prepare it, how to clean it and what to add. You add some ingredients into that, like that will take some step by step procedure. And what is an algorithm? So algorithm is nothing but input will be given and a set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input, and finally we'll get the output. Every input will be taken as set of rules to obtain the expected output, and finally we'll get the output of a problem. And algorithm, the most algorithm is one of that provides solution in less time and consumes less memory. So when an algorithm is said to be most efficient is nothing but which takes less time to compute it and which consumes less memory. Okay, that is treated as an efficient algorithm. And the characteristics, what are the characteristics? It should maintain, every algorithm should maintain well defined inputs, because based on the inputs only we'll understand what we are accepting the variables, and well defined output should be there. And every algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Is nothing but whatever the steps you are taking, those will be definitely, it should be clear. There should not be any doubt or there should not be any confusion. And finiteness, every algorithm should end in a specific number of steps. It should not like infinitive. That is called finiteness. Language independent. You know, one algorithm, there is no need of writing for each and every programming concept. One algorithm can be used for so many programming languages. If you write an algorithm for generally I am showing the example that addition of two numbers. Here I am taking the algorithm for addition of two numbers. This algorithm can be used in C program, can be used in C++ or in any other programming language. So that is called algorithm should be language independent. It should not created for any particular language. And feasible is nothing but that algorithm should be easily and conveniently should be usable through the available resources. So these are the characteristics it should follow. And come to the example of an algorithm to understand how to write it. We'll write like this, step by step, like 1 2 3 4 5 steps will mention, and every algorithm start and stop. Between that, what is the operation we are going, simply we'll write. If you observe this one, it is simple in English, except num1 num2, and what is happening, sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So we are going to do addition operation, and finally we'll display the sum. We'll stop the algorithm. Here what is it is describing how to do addition operation in step by step manner. This is called an algorithm. And what are the advantages? So it has some advantages, at the same time disadvantages. Advantages are here I listed. As it is in spoken language, like it is in a general, no, start stop English language, no, everyone can easily understand even if one doesn't know programming. And easy to write, understand and debug also. What is debug? Finding the errors also easy. Finding the errors is called debugging. It assists in writing programs. So why we write this one in programming concept? If we write this one, we can easily understand how to write a program in any programming language. And it is independent of all programming languages. because one algorithm can be implemented in so many programming languages. It is not dependent, it is independent of all programming languages. And we have some disadvantages at the same time. We get wrong result if algorithm is not properly defined. So generally, if it is not, if based on this one only we are going to write the program, no, so that if it is clear, program will be clear. So that we should clearly write an algorithm carefully. Difficult to depict complex programming. So it is generally for simple operations we can write it easily, but when we are going for complex operations, big problems, we'll face some problem to write these steps. And difficult to show branching and looping in algorithms. While writing totally it is in English like statements, no. So if you want to show the conditions and looping statements, somewhat it is critical to show that branching and looping statements in these algorithms. Like this, algorithm is a step-by-step processor which is having like these steps, and will write simple in English like language. Okay, and these are characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.